Welcome to the 3bestones.com. The following video is about the best baking sheet. Here are the top 3 baking sheets that we have picked to make sure you don't waste your time wandering over the internet. At number 3. Nordic Ware Natural Aluminium Tray Set. This tray set is made of pure aluminum, which is rust-resistant and ensures longevity from strenuous and time-oriented cooking. It possesses a reinforced encapsulated steel rim that prevents warping and adds strength to the accessory and prevent damage. This item is hand wash recommended and has an easy cleanup procedure which is compatible with parchment paper or silicone baking mats. The pan's dimensions measure 17.88 by 12.88 by 1.06 inches and interior space of 16.5 by 11.38 by 1 inches. The aluminium structure comes with many benefits including non-stickiness, scratch resistance and notable heat conductance. At number 2. Cheat Sheet Silicone Baking Sheet. These pans are oven-safe, non-stick silicone dividers that streamlines cooking and separates ingredients to make savory one-pan meals. The sheet pans are dishwasher safe and can easily be cleaned with QuickTime and has the ability to resist high temperatures. This accessory is made from premium FDA food-grade silicone and is free from BPA, BPS and phthalates for a hygienic cooking experience. It includes a carbon steel, non-stick coated steel pan which is PTFE and PFOA free, delivering exceptional heat conductance and longevity. These cheat sheets are ideal for creating multiple food dishes on the same pan with separate food items, flavors and marinades. At number 1. Artisan Aluminium Baking Sheet. This pan provides outstanding heat retention capabilities and is used to bake and roast different food items including salads and other delectables. It includes a standard half-sheet pan, 18 by 13 inches, and extra-large 2/3 sheet pan, 21 by 15 inches, for variation in cooking items. This pan is constructed from standard 18-gauge, commercial-grade aluminium construction that does not rust and resists wrapping. The perforated surface on the pan increases airflow for crispy and crunchy crusts and is ideal for parties, bake sales and daily meals. These sheets are recommended for hand washing with soap and water to maintain the metal's finishing touch and residue buildup. For more details, click on the link given in the description below, and thanks for watching our video. If you are new here, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.